Don't let you niggas know that's not a fucking game, dog. We really here playing like.
Go ahead, somebody different, man.
Fucking, like whoever won, like. Yo, fight it. On some shit though, like I fuck with you though, but the LA shit and that place I don't even fuck with is like real rap. But I say some shit like what I say. I said like they ask me who I'm with. I say CLB. Kid Less Boys who won it with we. About to get your head cracked open like an OE. And niggas like to talk shit, but they don't know me. Most be mad cause they girl chose me. I just intercept her. You try to go deep. Kid Less Boys. Man, bears on me. I got every cheerleader cheering on me. All my niggas supplying the suppliers that supplying you liars that be lying and acting like y'all grinding. Nigga, this is perfect timing. JG Beats. I was down a month ago, but now I'm back on my feet. Damn, how I got them grams. Bitches on my dick and we ain't holding hands. I don't take them to bed. I just get fucking head in my truck like what? I'ma bust this nut. What the fuck tip I'm on? Y'all niggas be sipping strong. That's why y'all be flipping strong. I come up and put that pocket to the tip, you be gone. Right up in the hearse, it's a rap. I ain't even gotta spit another verse. I don't even curse. Niggas better fucking rehearse. I turn these niggas into smurfs. It'll hurt. It'll work. It'll work.
Beats.
Yeah, nigga, JG Beats. My nigga right here, man. Tell him about your fucking beat, man.
You already know. Take it back, man.
Take it back for him. Like, you niggas, they don't know. They don't know. They left the streets, man.
Community service, cleaning up the streets, nigga. What you talking about? All these trash ass niggas.
Yeah.
Inject all of them, cuz.
Sometimes you disrespect us like we can't get a part in this game, like.
We've been here to part for
We got a part back, I mean.
Niggas gonna see you real soon.
Hammer time. What you talking about?
Just a little bit.
Coming out soon, nigga, after that community.
Steady on the ass, I'ma show you where the ass at. Black bag, no mask, Scotty black bag cat. When it come to battles, I be rhyming like it's Baghdad. Hey man, no, you don't wanna have that. Gotta get the rapping, I be snapping like a crab shack. I don't like the box, when I box niggas. When a box nigga get a shot, that's the box nigga. 30 gauge Glock niggas, 30 gauge shot niggas. Obama with my lines, yeah, gotta ever rock with it. 8 to the cake, Doc Mills throwing shots with it. Hit him 9 times with 9 lines and 9 bombs. Got him punch lines with punch lines. My lines bomb. Got a 9 head at 9 squares. There's 9 nines. I'm fine. My mom fine. My grind fine. 6 rhymes. I flip lines. You know I'm JG on double D. You forget I hold fists and throw clips to 6 guys. Yeah, I cook coke on the same shows that the fish fry. Hey man, no, it be more like your bitch guy. You want it come in eye, you shooting they came in eye. JG, I'll leave you floating with fish fly. If it's wolves, then it's wolf getting spit like it's dish fry. I grip 9s and hit spines and lift mine. I grind like 9 to 9 to get mine. Like an arrow lips to my lips, I kiss dime. You got hype off the dime, I left you calm with the 9. You couldn't rhyme high rhyme, you couldn't shine high shine, boy. Every time I rhyme, I'm taking down metal.
I took off JG Beats, dog. This my fucking producer, dog. We going with fucking like flash the fucking president, dog. We all in the
Got it, nigga. In the fucking building, nigga.
That's all
RK
we do,
gang, nigga.
Fuck up, I see niggas like, man,
Back
we
that shit
niggas
too,
out.
like.
I'm airing niggas out, and I'm clearing niggas out. I
Turn the
feel
light
like
on.
young boy, think I'm airing in his house. Get some people on the couch, just to run in their mouth. Knock all your teeth out. See, if they bullet you will get a bullet too. Hospital police send me like he ain't pulling through. And what you wanna do? Cause when I'm coming through, I'm not rolling 1. You know I'm rolling 2. And if you smoking 2, you know you smoking 2. And if I'm smoking, we choking them bitches open too. Now who you talking to? I come up in your place, I step up in your place with something on my waist. If it's about that cake, you know I need a slice. I grind days and nights. I've been in cars and bikes. I sold green and white. I sold pills and syrup. I had a duck bitch, but her name was Sierra.
I see myself in the eyes was looking in the mirror. I dare a nigga to dare me, I wouldn't even dare ya. The nigga spitting hot, motherfucker, I don't care ya. I send my young bulls, they just come and hear ya. They just come and tear ya apart to pieces. I'm walking in these streets like my motherfucking sneakers. Bitches see me, I be getting Reese's Pieces. This for my boys locked up who be eating cheese. I be on the strip, I'm a shark smoking seaweed. And I be burning down CDs and DVDs when you see me, no TV. Trying to get to BETZ. Tell them motherfuckers take it easy. And I got them wishing on the boy, I'm not a genius. If you ever see me, it wasn't a Lamborghini. And I got this shit bouncing like a trampoline.
What they talking about? They need
They need me, believe me. Them bitches squeeze my dick like a squeegee and suck it till it squeeze. I'm getting greedy. I'm getting hungry. I'm on the strip, motherfuckers. Yeah, I'm bony. And I was eating on that bread with the lunch meat. Motherfucker, bring it to you like lunch meat. You like to snack to me. Pussy needs an appetite. You ain't never bust a track or gat in your fucking life. When I see you rappers, I be hungry and shit. Cause I be on the block with the comb and the bone and shit. Pussy.
Fuck that shit, man. They ain't fucking with it, dog.